Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to add a magnetic clasp or snap, whichever one you prefer to call it. Okay, so it has two parts, the bigger side and the smaller side. So we're using our fishing line and our scissors. I'm using 0.70 fishing line. That's what I used to make the bag there. So yeah, cut out the amount of fishing line I need, and then this is where I'll be placing this bigger part, and then the other smaller part that goes into the other side of the magnetic clasp, I'll be putting it at the lid of the bag. So you need to press in this part of the snap so that it has like a small hole where you'll be passing your fishing line. That is what you're going to be using to, attach the snap or the clasp to the beaded bag. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to find the placement, which is the middle of the lid, okay, at the top, the middle part of the top shell. So yeah, now I just passed in the fishing line, and then I'm going to pass it through the beaded bag like so. So because this bead bag specifically has two layers, okay, so it's going to be difficult to just pass the fishing line through the bead and then on and on. So what I'm going to do is just pass it through those little spaces in between the beads, okay, and then out. Okay, you can see that what I'm doing there, and I'm passing it through the space in between the beads, and then out through the magnetic clasp. And of course I'm going to pass it through the bead, okay, when it's on this side. So yeah, zoomed in now so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. I just passed it through the space, and then I'm going to pass it out through the bead, I believe. Yes, so you can see that. And now I am passing it through the bead like so, and then out. So it's kind of proving difficult because of the double layer. So I'm going to be using this thingy, which is, I call it scissors, to pull out the fishing line and out like that. So I'm going to continue with this process on and on, okay, on and on. So I'm passing it through the bead. So when it gets very close to the snap, that space in between the clasp, I'm going to pass it through the space in between the snap. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Please just pay utmost attention so that you get it. So you repeat this process on and on and on and on till you are sure it's firm enough, and then if you're sure it's firm enough, then you can go ahead and cut off the excess. Okay, so that's what we're going to be basically doing throughout. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. So as you can see here now, I'm done with the cover of the bag. Okay, you can see that there is no excess fishing line showing or any terrible work showing on the cover of the bag. So now we're doing the same thing to the other side. You can see this part is actually bigger, so I'm trying to find the middle using the cover of the bag. So I'm going to place it past my fishing line and obviously repeat the same process. Make sure it's in the middle so it's closes properly. So if you find the middle, then you go ahead and repeat the same thing. You want to do it in such a way that it wouldn't show, or should I say it wouldn't be revealing at the other side of the bead. So yes, so now I've done both sides, and you can see the results. It's looking really nice. You can see that it's not looking too bulky. The down part is basically flat, okay, so it's not showing on the other side, okay, and same with the cover of the bag. So yeah, that is how you attach your magnetic clasp to your beaded bag. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment, ask questions in the comment section, and please subscribe so that we keep growing and growing. Thanks for watching. Bye.